review on the bike reno, and it is completely painted. I think I showed this, but look how amazing these turned out. Super clean. Impressed. Also, scrubbed and washed all of the plates for the things. Those are good, and I just cleaned the wheels, which I didn't show that, but that's just boring. But now my mom and I are gonna piece it back together and see what it looks like. There's a few scratches on the bike where the paint has kind of just not fully dried, but I think it's gonna look good, you know? Hopefully gives it character. I don't know.